Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. On today's video, I have 3 boho inspired pieces to show you. A tray made from Dollar Tree items, a vase using an old beer bottle and Dollar Tree stick-on beads, and a small basket using a rug and rope from Dollar Tree. I was able to create all 3 items for less than $5. To make the tray, I took the canvas off of a Dollar Tree canvas and painted it with 2 coats of Rust-Oleum chalk paint. After the frame dried, I used it to trace this gift bag I also found at Dollar Tree. I loved it. The design gave off a boho vibe. I then cut everything down to size and hot glued it to the back of the frame. I trimmed away some of the excess that was hanging over the sides. I then cut a piece of foam board to glue to the back of the frame to give it a little more support. I cut it a little bit smaller than the frame and then hot glued it to the frame. I had these cute little knobs from an earlier project, so I hot glued them to the tray to give it some handles. I wanted to add a vase to the tray, so I used this beer bottle and added Dollar Tree press-on beads and created a design I liked with them. After finishing adding the beads, I went outside and spray painted the bottle white. I then added a little twine to the top of the bottle to give it a finished look. I used this little basket I found at Dollar Tree in the office supply section. I had this old rug I found at Dollar General, so I cut it down to size and hot glued it around the basket. I then trimmed away the excess around the bottom and hot glued the bottom also. I then made a little beaded tassel using some white rope from Dollar Tree. I also added some white rope to the top of the basket and hot glued the tassel to give it a finished look. I loved how this project turned out, and I will definitely be adding it to my home decor. Let me know in the comments if you would have changed anything. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And join my mailing list to get access to all my free printables and downloads. Thanks for watching.